Hello guys, welcome back to Certain TV. In this video, today we're trying out the new Blizzard food. So yeah, I just paid this fruit for lost a Buddha fruit. I'm kind of sad, bro. I just need my Buddha fruit to grind, but it's okay. So let's just grind and oh my god. So let's just grind, and I have this mastery 46, and also I'm level 1290. So let's go into the video. Don't forget to subscribe too. Okay, let's go. Alright, so our goal is to hit level 1310. No, how about 1302 and get this thing to mastery 150. Yeah. So let's just go. Ship Deckens. I hate ship engineer because they are kind of fall, and I love this. Man, I love the Blizzard fruit, bro. Like, look, they cannot hit you. Like, look. And then just use them with the snowflake shuriken. And boom, they are dead. Nope. They're not dead, actually. Now they are dead. How in the world do I miss that? Yeah, I think I missed that because of the lag, bro. The ping, man. Like the ping. Yo, I can... Oh my god. Who is that? Where's the other dude? Who is this? Oh, ship officers. Yeah, never mind. I think I have. You cannot hit me, brother. I think I have to go with ship engineer. It's not gonna work, bro. No, I meant to press as ship engineer. Oh my god. Also, the last video we got Dragon Breath mastery to mastery to 291. Wait, what? They can hit me? Oh, what? Yo, that's called cheating, man. And they can use a flash step. Bruh. I need to use instinct, bro. And I cannot see. I cannot see. It's not gonna work, boys. Okay. Oh my god. Bro, my ping, man. Oh my god. Okay, it's good. Where's the other dude, man? Come here. Where are these guys? Stop it. I cannot see you. Boom. Ow. Oh my god. Cannot see anything. Yo, what the? What is this lag, man? What server am I on? Yeah, I think I hate... Oh my god. Now I'm stuck again. Oh my god. You know what? Come here. Come here. And boom. Thank you for your masteries. Where's the other dude? Here. Just gonna gather them up. Not this again. Bro. Please stop. Ow. Boom. Yo, chill. I'm almost getting wiped out. Oh my god, no. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh, hi. One more enemy. Where's... Oh, there you are. No, wait, no. Whoa. Just gonna spam this. Ow. Whoa. Dragon. Come here. Ooh, let's go. 2 levels. Also, I'm almost getting wiped out. What's this? There's... Wait, where's the quest? Oh, there it is. The rear crew quest. Those boys can just... Oh no, I just disabled it. No. Oh yeah, they can hit me, I forgot. Also, oh, tornado fight is out again, boys. You guys cannot hit me, man. New skill available. New skill available. White out. Kinda cool. Not gonna lie, it's kinda cool. Wait, let me test that again. Wait, white out. Boom. Yeah, it's kinda cool. No. Yeah, I think curse ship is not good, bro. Why are you there, man? Chill. Boom. Done. Also, the lag. I hope I get at 1,350, man. Ow. Ooh, let's go, Mastery 100. You know what, guys? We need mastery. We need to hit level mastery 200. Yeah, just mastery 200. Oh yeah, I haven't finished the quest. Yo, come on, man. Oh, I think that's why. If I go at the wall, I think I'm gonna get stuck. So I'm not gonna point at the walls. Boom. Take my snowflake shuriken. And I'm doing that again. Where are you, man? Boom. Hello. Oh, there you are. Oh, thanks. Okay. Good. You know what? How about we hit 1,300? Yeah, our goal is hit level 1,300. I'm tired, man. And then, boom. Oh, man, I'm tired, bro. I'm tired, man. I'm here. Boom. Oh no, it's laggy, bro. Come on. Boom. And do the tornado flight. Ooh. Let's go, boys. Wait, no. Oh my god, come on. So 40 more masters, and I'm gonna get the howling wind. Come here. And snowflake shuriken, where are you guys? Boom. It's kinda laggy, bro. Not gonna lie, it's kinda laggy. This root does damage, bro. Where are you guys? Come here. Come to your wind. Oh, there you are. Ooh, this is gonna grind, boys. I'm sure I'm gonna make it. I believe myself. I believe. And then boom and boom. And let's go. Only 4 more masters. 4 more levels. Say, tired, bro. They don't know how tired I am, man. Boom. Bruh. Where's it? Okay, so 1 more and I'm level 1,200 at 98, I think. Boom. Bro, come here. And then boom. And no. Okay. Just, oh my. I don't know what I'm talking. And I am just. What time is it? 2018? Oh my god. Not gonna lie, boys. We did all days for pain and suffering. And where are you? Come here. Wait. Oh, I was gonna use my snowflake shuriken, but they are already dead. What? Oh my god, not this glitch again. Come on, man. Boom. Boom. Come on. Only 6 more, 30 more masteries, and I got the howling wind, I think? Yeah. No. Sorry, wrong button. And then boom. Where are and where's this guys? Oh, there you go. Boom. Oh my god. Whew. Man, I'm tired. Also, I kind of like blizzard food. Wait, let's go. One more. Whew. And 300. Finally! Now all we need is just to hit mastery 160. So that's our goal. Hit 146 masteries. So we're just gonna defeat boss this one. So we're just gonna go out and defeat the Smoke Admiral real quick. Oh my god. You know what? Never mind, guys. I'm tired and I'm going to sleep. And I'm going to sleep. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And don't forget to subscribe and like. And peace out, boys.